Hey, it's Kandy. Welcome back to my channel. It's Dia time! I get so excited for these. Anytime I get new clothes, I'm pretty excited. I have a Torrid haul coming. I bought some stuff from Woman Within. They were both having like this huge sale. Alright. There's my paperwork. Alright. Ooh! It's so dark. It's so fall. Alright, let's get into this. First item on top is a beautiful floral. Looks like a V-neck t-shirt by Leota, exclusively for Dia. (95% polyester, 5% spandex. It's very stretchy. It's kind of a material that I kind of like. Next up, I love this green color. This is by Skye. It's a long sleeve t-shirt, or 3/4 sleeve. It's got this really pretty button detail on the side. It looks like it might be a little short. We'll have to see. Does it have slits on the side? No. It's really, this color is gorgeous though. It's not coming off. It's like this really pretty like dark green / teal. Looks like there's 2 pairs of some kind of pants maybe? Are these jeans? So they look like jeans, but they're not traditional jeans. Faux pockets, hate that. No pockets in the front. These are by Lissy. They're a 5X. They're more like a jean trouser, I would say. They're stretch denim. The perfect fit, high waist, patent pending design, hourglass shaping, smooth comfort, and extra stretch. Alright, we'll definitely try them. I do like a high-waisted pant. That's my aesthetic. Alright, these are Molly and Isadora. These are some Burgundy Jeans. Are these the Burgundy Jeans I had before? Let's say, I might have to go back and look. So these are size 30 by Molly and Isadora. Stretchy Burgundy jeans. They're a skinny jean, so it'll be cute with boots. And finally, ooh, this feels heavy and nice. Also by Molly and Isadora. Is this a dress or just a sweat? I think it's a sweater dress. It's got pockets, you guys. So it's got this really cute keyhole in the neck, and it's really heavy, and it feels really soft for a sweater. So let's try these on. Alright, first things first, this Molly and Isadora dress is adorable. I like how it fits my bust, and then it flows out over my tummy. Goes to about my knees. So probably wear shorts or leggings underneath it. But it's super comfy. Is it too warm? I'm like standing here trying to figure it out. No, I think it's okay. I like the 3/4 sleeve. This might be a winner. Alright, so here's that floral shirt. It's a little bit short, but like, I don't hate it. I've got the Burgundy Jeans on. You guys, they fit me perfectly. They like hug me in all the right spots, but they're not like so tight that I can't breathe. I secretly hate it when I keep the whole box because it's like, what are you doing with your life? But I love, this is almost like a dolman sleeve. Does that make sense? I don't know, it's super nice though. Here's the Mary Skye top with the button detail. I actually really like it, and it's long enough where I thought it was going to be short. It's past 3/4 sleeves, like 7/8 sleeve. But it's beautiful. Here's the trouser pants. I love them. I love the high waist. I love how they fit on my butt. My only complaint is no pockets. But they're like, they're jeggings basically. So let's check the prices. So here's the problem. Dia reached out to me and offered me a free box to kind of review for you guys. And there's no prices on any of this stuff, which makes me a little sad because I like to share that part with you guys. I thought this was my regular box, but apparently it's not. So the Mary Skye Michelle asymmetrical detailed tee in forest green. I got the Veronica, it was a flutter sleeve blouse. The Arnica keyhole fit and flare dress, and the Winchester skinny pant in burgundy, and the Milan denim legging. So they are leggings. I kind of wish they put the prices on here. Makes me sad that they didn't. Just because I like to do that part with you guys. But this box was great for me. I love this green top. These are all like super amazing fall clothes. I'm excited to wear them. I love a good sweater dress. I've only had one other one in my life and I loved it so much. So that's it. I love going through the prices. I'm like sad. I've said that like 5 times now, so I guess you guys know that I'm sad. I don't even know anymore. What did you guys like? Do you think I should send anything back? Let me know. I'll post this in a couple days and then I'll have a couple days to send it back. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And thank you, Dia, for sending me this box. There'll be a link down below if you want to get a Dia box of your own. You know, try it out. I believe you get your first box free. Like your styling fee is waived. So if not, I will let you know in the box below. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Try out Dia. I swear, like, you'll love it. I swear. Like, it's my favorite clothing service. Well, it's the only one I ever get, so but for me, Dia, it helps me like get out of my box and discover new things. So all right, I'm actually leaving now and I'll talk to you guys soon.